So, guys, as you know, concurrently we're also having a mentoring program in Thailand with Anton and one of my colleagues, Tristan. So we're gonna have a phone call actually with the people in the Thailand mentoring program. So you're gonna get to speak with them right now and meet them over Skype. It'll be pretty cool. Speaking of the devil. Hello.
Hey guys.
Hey. Hey, Anton.
Hey. How's everyone getting on?
Everyone's good. Let me see if I can turn this to see everyone.
Hello boys. So we've got the Thailand group here as well behind us. Say hi everyone. Looks like a sunny day there in Florida.
Yeah, it's pretty sunny. It's
awesome. How's our scholarship boys doing? Curtis, Trey, Tyler?
Yeah, great. We're doing good.
And the veterans? How the veterans doing?
plodding along.
Good stuff, good stuff. So we just did our second session today. We did long ideas. Can't tell you what stocks we're looking at because we'll end up with consensus trades on. But we've been looking at a few themes. One really good theme that we're looking at right now is commercial loan portfolios in Trump's first 100 days in turnaround states.
Okay.
So you might look at loan books within the financial sector, commercial loan portfolios that have got big turnaround potential. Later in the week, you guys have got our mystery man coming in, and he's going to be talking to all of you guys if you want to have a career in the industry and the best route for you guys to take, if that's what you want to do and that's your objective.
Awesome.
Cool.
Yeah, awesome.
So guys, listen, I wish I could be there with you, but obviously I'm busy in Thailand. And I'm looking forward to all your trade ideas and can't wait to see the progress. So just wanted to call in, say hello, and wish you good luck.
Thank you very much.
All right, boys, have a good session, and hopefully we'll speak later in the week.
Awesome.
All right.
Thank you.
And I wish good luck to all the Thailand mentees as well.
Cool.
All right.
Cheers.
See you. Take care.
Bye-bye.
Yeah, it was nice to see everybody on the other side, see how they're progressing, and make some comparisons.
All right, everyone. Welcome to day 2 of our classroom session. Today, what we will be doing is first we will be going through your long ideas, and after that, our second part of our class today, we will be going through short ideas, the process of generating good short ideas, and finally we'll be going through options again, and we'll be continuing what we covered the other day. And with that, let's begin. EG2
67.7.
67.7.
Yeah.
Oh, very consistent. PE1. I guess my question is, how did you come up with 154.6? Because it's from a negative to a pot. What is the actual E?
There's a reason.
Okay.
You want to explain it?
Sure. So
Again, this is a good point here, because this is like you'll encounter these numbers on a qualitative basis. This will look.
Yeah.
You have to do some
There is
fudge factor
There's
adjustment.
a reason for it.
And so we were concerned about that, and we almost threw it out just because it didn't quite. But through the qualitative, we understood why. It is a turnaround story.
Yeah.
So they're actually they segment their business in 2 parts: flat rolled product and high performance metals. Their flat rolled product is the one that's been hurt by lower steel prices, lower commodity prices. So that one, they've done a bunch of restructuring and non-recurring charges over the past 2 years. And so they're forecasting March 2017 to be their first profitable growth for the profitable quarter.
Did you break it down, like what's the earnings growth by just that sector itself? And so by that business itself? Like, I know it's not all obvious.
It was broken down.
It should be in their annual report. Like,
It was. We
I'm
didn't know
sure.
how much you would want to see of like each amount.
Okay, I mean, it's something you can revisit. I mean, but I would ask you to tell me that just because it's kind of important. But you did most of the work. What are the risks? What sector are they most exposed to? Aerospace?
Yes.
Okay. So what is your view on that? You did a good job to get to this point. So it clearly should go on your watch list and continue to investigate the story and watch the stock. But you guys did a good job of identifying a company, I think, and your analysis was very good. Anyone else have any comments about this idea, questions, what they think? Anyone say, I want to short this thing?
I like the, like as you're discussing it, I'm learning about the process and how you actually need to look at things, so that's good.
Okay.
It's amazing though what you find in your company reports. It's all in there.
It's what you should be reading, because
I never done that before in my life. Like
I mean, who else? It's obvious, but what's amazing is people just don't do that. They don't look at what a company's saying about themselves, and then you ask yourself, once they say that about that, do I believe them? If you tell me stuff about Mike, some things maybe I won't believe.
Like I'm a billionaire.
Okay, I hope so. Yeah. All right. Not yet, anyway.
It's a turnaround story.
Yeah, very happy. Don't expect to hit the home run out of the first part, but I think we did really well with what we had, and I'm really proud of my team and the ideas they put forth. It was nice to be able to look at it from a whole, a third party view and see what they thought we didn't do right, or what we might have missed out on. And so it was nice to have some feedback, because normally you just have your kind of yourself. So.
By making acquisitions, they seem very, very active in what's going on with litigation and policy, with environmental issues.
But are they growing? You keep telling me are they growing because of acquisition, or are they growing because of?
They only made 2 key acquisitions last year, so I don't know if that's.
Are they growing organically? I mean, is their earnings per share going higher because they bought other companies, or is it because organic growth? Because that's a big difference.
That's something I have to look a little deeper for.
Okay, that's fair. I mean, that's why we're doing this. You're not supposed to get everything right today. Well, so what moves the stock? I guess. I mean, it seems like, they're priced in for. They've had a nice move.
Again, repetition. Keep doing it. We're going to get better at it. We're going to have better ideas and be able to work through them and look at the qualitative side a lot better.
One of the groups did great. Their trade ID is ready for action, and the other groups probably still need a little bit of work, but I can see progress already. Yeah, that's what I expect at this stage. Usually, since it's their first time, they need a little bit more of a systematic process, and more importantly, to understand they struggle with the qualitative portions of the analysis.
It's not enough just to check the boxes and find a company that meets the criteria for what you're looking for. We also need to dig deeper into what's driving the fundamental growth of the companies, and what's likely to happen, because it's not always that clear. As far as my role here, both Raj and myself are both senior mentors. He's more experienced when it comes to teaching this process than I am, so he's kind of taking lead on most of the classroom presentations. And I tend to talk to the guys more about what actually happens, on an institutional trading desk, because a lot of these students are here to actually be in industry and and become traders for hedge funds or as managers, which is what my background is. So it's really good for them to hear more of a career path, how do you get there, and that's something you just can't learn in school or on the internet, or really anywhere. You need to hear it from somebody who's actually been there.
Your homework is to come up with a short idea. And second of all, you have to decide whether you're better off doing it through shorting stock or doing an option strategy, buying a put. And we could keep it simple, just buying a put and then picking out which one and the strike and why.
Yeah. Did you guys get to speak to each other before coming here? Like as the winners of the scholarship?
No, not really.
No.
We got to read each other's essay, and that was about it. Yeah. So we got here, and then we started kind of learning each other and everything.
Yeah.
Pretty much.
Didn't know anything about each other other than on the video.
Yeah. Everybody. It was like quite normal, and then loud mouth, cuss mouth. Yeah. So hopefully I lived up to the hype.